My name is Nobre Krull. I am a Brazilian agroecologist and I have been working with communities in Amazon in the last years. These photos can bring a part of the realities of that woman for people who cannot see that. So in these rural settlements you have many people working and doing this agroecological transition, and this is good for people in the cities also. So it's a path to inspire people and show good realities. I think promising pathways when we unite the sustainable development with people issues. So it's needed to connect the social and the environmental to develop this path. Agroecology answers many issues about climate change, and I think all this together can build a great path for us to follow.